welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful flower that you are going to use to decorate this beautiful shawl wrap that I showed you in the last video. And this can be transformed into a poncho by using this beautiful flower. Also, this flower can be very useful for your coming projects. So it's very important that you learn how to do it, and if you are learning how to crochet, well, this is the perfect idea and the perfect opportunity to start. So let's don't lose more time. Well, first we are going to make the loop, the first loop, and then we are going to count from here 36 chains, okay? It has to be of multiples of 3, so we are going to make 36 chains. At the end of the 36 chains, we are going to make 3 more. So we are going to skip the first 3 that we made and then 3 more, and here's where we are going to insert our hook in the 6th chain, and we are going to make single crochet, then 3 chains, skip 1 and skip 2, and in the 3rd single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, skip 2, and in the 3rd single crochet. We are going to continue like this the whole row until we have 12 waves. To start the next row, we are going to turn around and we will go up with 5 chains, 3, 4, and 5. Grab your turn twice, and right here in the first wave we are going to insert our hook. We are going to take 1, take 2, take 3, and we will leave the last stitch and hold. We will hold it in the hook. Grab your yarn again twice, insert your hook inside the same wave, and leave the last stitch and hold. We will repeat this double crochets until we have 9 stitches in hold, okay? All in the same wave. So I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. Remember that grab your yarn twice, insert your hook. First we are going to take 1 and then we will take 2 stitches together, and we will leave the last stitch and hold. Take 1, take 2, take 2, and leave the last here. So let's make 1 more. One more. And so remember that we must have 9 stitches in hold. Once we have 9, and we are going to take 2 by 2. First we are going to run the first 2, then the next 2, and little by little 2 by 2 is how we are going to take them, okay? And like this until we finish, and when we keep 1 at the end. Then we are going to make a single crochet, but right here where we started the first double crochet. Make 2, in the next one 3, and in the next one 4. And we will have a 4 in the other side, but before we continue we are going to make 2 chains, and right away we are going to continue making the single crochet. Look. Then we will continue making the next 4 single crochets. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so here we have our first petal. To finish, we are going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to insert our hook right when we finish this first petal. We are going to make a single crochet. So here we have 1 petal, and we are going to repeat this in all the waves that we made, okay? So we are going to go right to the next one, making a single crochet. We are going to go up with 5 chains, and right inside this wave, this space, we are going to make 9 double crochets. Remember, we are going to leave the last stitch in hold, and we are just going to repeat what we made. Well, remember that we have 12 waves, 12 spaces. Well, at the end you must have 12 petals. Now got a long thread, and with embroidery needle we are going to sew. So at the end you are just going to roll your petals all around your finger, and you are going to give it shape to these petals, and then you are just going to sew with your embroidery needle in the back. At the end, you are going to put a brooch or a bottom right here so you can use it in the shawl that we just made and to convert it into a poncho. And with this, we finished. And I hope that this flower can be useful for your coming projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!